Guys, so today I'm going to go over a court case that is between AARP versus EEOC. I think before we kind of start talking about it, it's good to know what AARP and EEOC stand for and exactly what each business does. So first, American Association of Retired Persons, or AARP, is a nonprofit, nonpartisan organization that works to address the needs and interests of middle-aged and elderly people in the United States. Moving on to EEOC, the Equal Employment Opportunity Commission, is the agency responsible for enforcing federal laws regarding discrimination or harassment against a job applicant or employee in the United States. So in October of 2016, AARP sued EEOC on the grounds that EEOC's wellness rules were coercive, making workers pay more for health insurance if they decided not to share private medical information. Basically, what happens is the EEOC placed rules stating that insurers could offer incentives of up to 30% of the cost of self-coverage in exchange for employees' participation in a wellness program. The problem with this rule is that some employees couldn't afford the 30% increase in their health insurance premiums, which meant that it's no longer voluntary. People were feeling forced to share medical information just so that they could save money on their health insurance premiums. The problem with that is under the Americans and Disabilities Act, or the ADA, the Genetic Information Non-Discrimination Act, or GINA, employees can voluntarily share their medical and genetic information when participating in a wellness program, but it's not required. The U.S. District Court Judge John D. Bates sided with AARP, but left the regulations on wellness programs by EEOC in place until EEOC decided to fix them. The judge did place a date on that. It was a 3-year, they had 3 years. So basically EEOC decided to take that time to protest the judge's ruling by dragging their feet for the entire 3 years. As of January 1st, 2019, the current wellness program regulations were vacated. Since they were vacated, the EEOC has not come up with new rulings regarding worksite wellness programs. So a lot of companies are struggling with this because they're using the EEOC guidelines to enforce their wellness programs or get ideas for their wellness programs. So it kind of has had the wellness community up in a tailspin because they're not really sure what guidelines to be following. From what I've been reading, most places are just going over off of the ADA rules and regulations and GINA. So that is the court case. Thanks.